Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're in the right place for low carb diet living. Today's video is a what I eat in a day. I can't wait. Come along with me. We're gonna do everything that I ate today. But first, coffee. I'm obsessed with my coffee, as you guys know. I look forward to it at night to have it in the morning. I do not add whipped cream anymore. I'm trying to cut back. I need to get to my goals. So we're just doing 2 Truvia and some of this French vanilla creamer from Walmart. If you've never tried it, run. It's amazing. So then we have my favorite yogurt and my favorite flavor yogurt. This is the coconut yogurt by Too Good. It's literally too good. It's amazing. It's not too sweet. It's great for a low carb diet. And then this granola on top just seals the deal as one of my favorite breakfasts of the moment. It's low carb. It tastes amazing. It fills me up because it's got the nut granola in it. It's just perfection. And then this is the Austin cam showing you all of our chows. All right, next up is lunchtime. I'm obsessed with sandwiches. I've always been, but on a low carb diet, sometimes it's a little hard to fit them in. This time though, I'm gonna make a tuna sandwich, and the key is the bread because everything in this sandwich is very low carb except the bread. And I'm doing 2 cans of tuna because I'm making extras for Jay and I to have for lunch later in the week as well. So it's 2 cans of tuna, and then I like to season it with a couple, maybe different things. So I do salt and pepper. That's not very different, but I also like to add my little secret ingredient, which is ground oregano. I know, right? Weird, but trust me, you just need a little sprinkling. You'll see how much I'm using here. It's not a ton, but it literally gives it this great flavor. It's hard to describe, just try it. And then, of course, if you guys follow me, you know I'm obsessed with garlic powder. That's going in, as well as some onion powder. And the onion powder I had wasn't opened yet, so I used one that was. Next we have mayonnaise. This is my absolute favorite. It's full fat, Hellmann's mayonnaise, 0 carb, my favorite. Mix it all up, and then I put it in the fridge to chill so that it's really cold for my sandwiches. The most important part is the bread. This 647 bread, you can find it at Walmart and Target. It's 6 grams per slice. It makes this lunch perfection. I only am using 1 piece today just to keep my carbs a little bit lower, but I absolutely love this sandwich. And you could also do this with chicken salad too. Oh, you just saw me add cheese. I know that's a very controversial thing, but I love to add cheese to my tuna. It's my most favorite thing to do. So feel free to leave it out though if you don't like that sort of thing. But when I add my tomato on, I like to add salt and pepper to it. I just think you should salt and pepper every aspect of your dish, even if it's something simple like a sandwich. So I'm just gonna do salt and pepper on top of those tomato slices. And then I'm just adding some spring mix because I ran out of iceberg. But I actually think it turned out really good and even a little bit prettier. Gotta have chips. Not having chips, so I'm having pickle instead. It literally was better, I think. Skip the chips, do pickle instead. Afternoon pick-me-up is a Dunkin' coffee, little squirt of liquid Truvia, and I'm ready to go. I need my energy. And then I like to have this as a snack. Sliced cucumber, lime juice, and Trader Joe's chili lime seasoning. Do it. I can't say it enough. Just try it. For dinner, I decided to order from a new company that I found online for keto low carb meals. This is the Brisket Meal from Factor. Pleasantly surprised. This brisket was probably the best I've ever had in my life, and I've had a lot of barbecue. And then it had a broccoli mac on the side. And we're finishing off with my mom treat, a glass of wine. This is literally my favorite white wine. It's just so good in the summer. Hope you guys liked this one. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you really soon with a new video. But until then, have an awesome day. Bye guys.